Welcome to Magnum RC, your online resource for exciting scale accessories and hard to find parts to scale up your model aircraft. Today, we're going to be showing you the final version of Magnum RC's manufactured, the Airplane Buddy. Made out of billet aluminum, welded together and machined to spread and come apart and utilize very versatilely so that you never have to be on your knees again when you go flying or out in the field, or especially float flying. First thing we're going to do is show you how easy it is to put it together. So you take and flip up the pads, turn it upside down, and unbuckle the tray with the legs in it. The legs come with a telescoping feature that you can adjust up and down, and they're designed to fit right on the Airplane Buddy, and they slip on like this, and you tighten it down, loosen the thumb screw up here, pull the leg out, and tighten it, and you do that 4 times. The next is your parts tray. Very easy to install. It comes with Velcro wrapped attachments that are designed to go around the bottom, or just right here, right near the knuckle where the thumb screw is. And you attach it like so. Be sure to fasten it to the top. Notice how floppy and loose it is. So there's one other adjustment that you have to do, and that's to expand the body. You simply loosen the screw, the wing nut here, and then just simply pull. But make sure that these are still up here like this. Then you can adjust your tightness. And your Airplane Buddy is complete. And you simply set it on the ground for a nice waist-high operating table. You notice that you can be able to adjust each leg up and down for uneven terrain. Now there's 2 functions. Basically the yokes can slide back and forth and adjust for a smaller or bigger aircraft. Today we're going to have put together a 120 size aircraft, so That's considered pretty large, so we'll set that for the maximum position. Your large-scale airplanes will also fit into that area. One of the things with these pads is that they flip up and they provide a level work surface for you to check your retracts, make adjustments, or assemble something that you might need to have on the wing, either way. And then comes your fuselage. Now the yokes also expand out and adjust up snug to your fuselage, and then you tighten the wing nuts down below like this. And it's very easy to assemble your aircraft if you're there by yourself, because your airplane buddy is helping you out. The airplane buddy is a pilot's best friend. It enables you, that give you the versatility of working with your aircraft safely in an area that you may not have a table handy. We all go to flying events and know that it's sometimes difficult to pull out a table and wrestle with your plane. This gives you the tool by which to enable you to put your plane together, run the engine, check things out before the day to take off. Just remember, the aluminum airplane buddy comes in red, blue, and charcoal. And the trays are made out of truck tarp, all tied together with high quality Velcro. $189. You'll find it on our website at www.magnumrc.com. Thank you for listening.